Hello noodle lovers. Today I am sharing vegetable noodle recipe. I am sure you'll love it. Pour 2 liter water in an open pan and heat at medium to high flame. As the water gets warm, add 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon cooking oil. As water starts boiling, add 300 grams noodles and cook for 9 to 10 minutes. Strain the water and let the noodles cool down. To avoid sticking together, pour cold water over the noodles. When the noodles come to the normal temperature, coat with 1 tablespoon oil. Afterwards, heat 3 tablespoons cooking oil in a pan at medium flame. Add 10 grams chopped garlic and fry for 1 minute or so. Then add 70 grams dice cut onion. After 2 minutes, add 150 grams chopped tomato and fry all these for 2 more minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon crushed chili flakes, half a teaspoon salt, and 1/4 cup water. Mix, cover and let it steam cook for 5 minutes so that all the contents get soft and soggy. Side by side, heat 2 tablespoons cooking oil in another pan at high flame. Add 100 grams carrots and saute for 2 minutes. Add 150 grams cabbage, saute for 1 minute. Then add 150 grams capsicum and saute all for 2 minutes more and set aside from the flame. As you observe that onion, tomato and garlic has gone soft, mash it with a spoon to make masala paste. To this masala paste, now add to chicken yakni cubes, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, a quarter of a teaspoon white pepper powder, and fry for a while. Then add half a teaspoon oregano leaves, 2 tablespoons hot sauce, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, and a half cup tomato ketchup and mix it up. Now pour this masala on the sauteed vegetables and mix well. Add boiled noodles and gently mix with wooden spoons or spatulas while the pan is on the stove at a very low flame. Mouth-watering vegetable noodles are ready. Enjoy hot with ketchup. If you liked this recipe, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty recipes.